Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ledger Live and pair your Ledger device. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Ledger website. Navigate to the Apps section. Locate Ledger Live on the page. Click on the Download button. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. If you are using Windows, choose the Windows option. If you are on macOS, select the macOS option. For Linux users, click on the Linux download link. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. For Windows, double-click the .exe file to start the installation. For macOS, open the .dmg file and drag Ledger Live into your Applications folder. On Linux, follow the instructions provided in the Download section. After installation, open Ledger Live. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Click on Get Started to proceed. Next, you will need to choose whether you want to set up a new device or connect an existing one. Select Connect your Ledger device. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure your Ledger device is plugged into your computer. Make sure your device is unlocked and on the main menu. Choose the appropriate connection mode based on your Ledger device type. Confirm the connection on your Ledger device if prompted. Once paired, Ledger Live will sync with your device. You may need to allow Ledger Live permissions to access your Ledger device. Wait for the software to finish syncing. After syncing, you will see your account information. You can now manage your cryptocurrencies directly from Ledger Live. Explore the different features available to enhance your cryptocurrency experience. Make sure to regularly update Ledger Live for security and performance improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.